Fish by Ogami. Things required. If for color papers we require color papers, and most colors we will use the blue color, this one or this one sheet we required for blue watercolor. Ogami, we will cut the paper into small pieces paper. First we will take the paper, square paper, we will fold the paper and paper fold triangle like this. Open the page, make the paper square rectangle shape and fold the paper inside this one. See, like this. This one, and we will put inside the paper like this. See, both the side. Like this we will fold the paper. If the edges are not equal size, we will cut the edges in the equal size like this. All the edges are equal size, and we will fold the paper like this. The tail, the fish tail, we will get the fish tail like this. The fish is ready now. If this is the mouth of the fish and this is the eyes of the fish, like this we will make the fish. Again I am telling you, see, like this. First we will fold the paper triangle shape. First fold, second, after that open the paper. You will get the mark like this crosswise, and we will fold the paper rectangle shape like this. So you are looking the mark like this. We will fold the paper inside. Like this. Both the sides. See. Like this we will fold the paper. Edges are not equal size. We will take the scissor and we will cut the paper and make the edges equal size like this, and we will fold the paper like this for the tail, and the second part like this. This is the front side, and this is the back side. See, like this. We have fold the paper first, and this is the second. This is the tail of the fish. Okay. We will take the paper and make the border here, and we will draw the stone here. Any shape. We will draw the stones, colorful stones. And this is the grass in the water plants are these are water plants. And we will take the blue color and we will draw the waves, dark blue color, and we will draw the waves of the water like this. Like this we will draw the waves of the water. Like this the waves are there in the water, and we will, after this, like this we will make the fish set like this. We will use the googly eyes, or you can use the cut the paper into small pieces, and you can use the paper like this. Colorful stones are there. You can use the stars also. You can use the stars or to decorate the fish like this. If you have like this, see here, like this paper. If you have no color paper, you can use the newspaper also. You can use the newspaper also and make the fish and stick it like this. See here, the fish are made by newspapers. These are the newspaper. You can use the newspaper also. Like this you can make the fish. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe me and share.